It's super packed. What? Welcome to the Crystal Collector. My name is Bryan. This is Matrix, and today we're at Graves Mountain in Georgia. This place is an epic location for rock hounding. Check this out. These are all the different minerals that you can find from this location. Here we have a museum quality Rutile crystal sitting on the Matrix, what this mountain is known for, and the Iridescent Hematite, which you can actually find. Yep, it's possible. Check this out. Now look at this.
Yes, sir.
I don't know if I've ever seen one
Dude, I know,
with
right?
that much luster.
Yeah, it's super metallic.
That is wild. And look at these blues.
Yeah, that was the other side of that.
What a pocket. Congratulations. Yeah.
Appreciate it.
So this mountain has two main spots. You've got the iridescent hematite side, and then you've got the main pit. Look at this. It's a huge place. So I'm at a spot here in the iridescent hematite side, and you can find another mineral called pyrophyllite. Check this out. There's a huge piece right here. You can see those starburst type crystals here, but this is a huge piece. I think it may be even connected to the wall, maybe not, but I'm gonna try to break it down and get some of this here out of there so we can take it home. Some cool pieces. I almost hate breaking it down. Look, I got the wedge in here, but look at this. As I flip it, this whole entire thing is pyrophyllite, big boulder, but I'm just gonna try to break some chunks down from it. Get a few good pieces here. Good boy, drink that water. And check it out. I've got this cracked. Let's see the reveal here. The pyrophyllite crystals in the center of it should be in better shape than the outside. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. That is awesome. Pyrophyllite. Oh yeah, look, that is sweet. I've got a huge piece here. Boy, that'd be a nice yard rock. Might have to take that one out for the house. They've done some recent work here, taking down some of these side walls. This is all fresh here. And I'm just gonna go and walk this surface because you never know what you're gonna find. You gotta just really look close because it all sort of looks the same, but when you really check it out, see this quartz that we're coming off the wall? There should be some quartz crystals in this. You just kind of gotta flip, look at that. That kind of a mutated quartz crystal there. And, oh, look at this. Look at this crystal already. Can y'all see it? Do y'all spot it? Look at that, right there. That's a crystal. Check that out. That's a good size. Did not expect to find one that quick. We'll get it cleaned up here, but look at that. Just sitting right there. There's got to be more where that one came from. This looks like one. Yep, well, that's the side of an old crystal that broke down a long time ago. So yeah, I'm definitely in a good spot. Anytime you see the big quartz veins that run through here, they'll open up sometimes into pockets. So that probably came from somewhere up in there. All right, y'all, this is why I love fresh, overturned dirt and rocks. Look at this. There's a pyrophyllite just sitting right here. Check that out. Kind of a mixture. You've got mostly rock, quartzite, but there is some pyrophyllite. Maybe I'll try to trim this down some so we can keep this piece here. Look at that. Looks like another quartz crystal there. Nope. So check it out. Here's another quartz crystal. Haven't picked it up yet. Doesn't look like it's going to be that great, but it's just sitting here. I mean, that looks keepable. This side of the crystal's not in that great of a shape or form. But you've got some hematite growth, maybe a tiny bit of iridescent, but that is a quartz crystal. So I should really keep my eyes open here in this section. Look at that. Look at that. This looks like a huge one. Came out of a pocket. The crystals aren't that well formed on this piece. But this whole entire area has either caved in or been machined down. All right, so I'm over here in the same section. I just found this one, and I'm just seeing quartz everywhere. Look at this. Huge quartz crystals that are malformed. And every now and then you saw the... Oh, sorry about that, Yart. Yeah. Rolling stuff down on Bryan there. I'm going to break an ankle if I don't watch out. But, so I'm sitting here digging, and you know, you're getting this material here, and I'm just pulling all this rock back, and I see this. Look at his face. I don't know if it's going to be any good, but look at that face. That's a face. That's a freaking crystal face. I think what happened is this, all this slid down. It was probably, it just slid. All right, I'm going to pull this thing. All right, it's loose. Good God, it looks like a honker. Uh-oh. Oh, I thought that rock was falling. Okay, here we go, y'all. I mean, look, that's from the pocket. That's just where the crystals didn't grow that well. This is the biggest quartz crystal. It has to be. Yeah. I found one about 10 years ago, like this big. I'm almost starting to break a sweat. And it's already 90. I'm already breaking sweat.
That's huge.
Are you ready for this thing? Seriously?
I see the front of it.
Oh my gosh. This is crazy.
Oh no, freaking way.
Dude.
There's no...
Are you kidding me?
Hey, look at the bottom on the back. It's iridescent a
double?
little bit.
No, well, is it? No, I've never seen a double terminated. Dude, that's nuts. Look, the point's in good shape. It must have landed. It must have just came down and just landed perfect.
The bad part is it's yours.
My gosh. That's nuts.
Where did you find it?
It was in this hole right here. I've been found a few. But man, I mean, if that point would have been damaged, I'd have been a little bummed out.
But it's not.
But it's not. Look, it's almost as big as Matrix. Oh, my, the crystal. I mean, I thought I had a good one there, but that ain't nothing. This is crazy, y'all. Golly. Some clarity to it.
It's not milky all the way.
It ain't straight milk.
Actually, once cleaned up, it is pretty milky, but just a huge point. Absolutely huge. And look at this. A little bit of iridescent hematite on the side there. Off to the main pit.
The main pit here is the largest section of the mine, and it is well known for the rutile or the rutile, however you want to say it.
We'll find literally more than
One of the best ways to find these at this point is to do your sifting and digging, just as you see here. Check it out. They got the system going, getting down in there, huh?
Oh yeah.
So you got to go deep, and you want to...
You want to get about 3 or 4 feet down.
Yep.
Keep the pit open and then sift through.
And they've found a few. Where's that one you got there?
Right there.
Rodney? Oh, look at... Oh, wow.
They found.
Look at that. And it's about 11:30, so y'all have been looking for what, a good couple hours, maybe?
Couple hours, yeah. We're just getting into it.
We spent 5 days of straight digging.
just dig down and sift.
Yes.
Fluorites.
Down.
Okay.
And look at that, Rodney's found some. Now, did you find those on the surface?
Yeah.
Just on the surface?
Just on the surface.
Look at that.
Dug a little bit, but
Look at that. Oh.
That's a whole box full of rutile there. Almost everything in there.
Check that out.
Are you in here?
So we're going to walk up and check out this section of green fuchsite right behind me, which is green mica. But check this out. As we're walking up, Albert goes, I see him lean over, and he's like, check it out. And he has found a rutile crystal. Look at that. And that's like on Matrix, huh? Look at that. That's pretty cool. You don't normally see them on the Matrix.
That may be more of a mud conglomeration.
Oh, you think so?
But well,
It's just maybe gotten there and it's kind of glued in.
we'll fake it till we break it there.
I see what you're saying. It does look like that, but that's cool right there. We got some guys that want to say hey, hey, hey. Y'all having a good time out here?
Yep.
Nice. And look at this. You can see the vein right there. And there's pieces that have just fell down into here. Look at this, pure green. There we go. This has got some nice color here. Come on, boy, let's dig. All right, here we are with Brian and Charlie, and we're gonna check out some of the botryoidal hematite they've been finding. Look at this, huge piece right here. But these are the really beautiful pieces. You can see that beautiful color. And check out this pink iridescent. You don't usually see a whole lot of that.
Here's
Look at
another
that.
pink one.
Oh yeah. Like lavender. So we're hanging out over here, and Ginger walks up with this awesome iridescent piece that her dad just found. Look at this.
Yeah, he found it. He was cracking over. He was over there cracking a boulder, and he got it out of the boulder.
Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colors. That is awesome. Thank you for showing. Look at this. Golly, I can barely even hold this thing.
Get her done.
You know, I can just lift weights with it. Golly. Well, you're right. This thing. Golly, that's
Gotta find a
nuts.
soft
dude.
spot, right?
That's nuts.
Good one.
Wow. Look at that.
A little more manageable.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Wow.
Makes it much.
Cracking over boulders almost the size of cars. So at this open house event, you can also come out and buy and trade some awesome rocks. Check it out. Look at this table full of great material. There's all kinds of booths here. All right, y'all. So here we have the most dirty shirt award with Tully here. Check it out. This thing is a white tee.
yeah.
Look, this is a white t-shirt.
Not anymore.
That is now a Graves Mountain Dirt colored t-shirt.
Yeah, it's supposed to go straight in the trash, though, I think.
Some really cool stuff here, some fresh dug calcite clams. Check them out right here on Instagram. Look at this, y'all. Hey. They have got the goods. With the whelk shell, with the calcite in the whelk.
I'm just gonna roll in this dirt.
Nice.
Monsters, dogs, huge pieces on the whole side piece.
Yeah. So they've got it going on here at this booth. All right, here we are with Jake, and he's selling some pretty cool iridescent hematite that he found, what, about a year ago?
Yep.
Last year? During the dig here? Or
Yeah, during the dig, yeah.
so look at that. You can come out and find this stuff. And this isn't all. He's packing up. He had a whole table full, but this stuff is epic. Check it out.
The Graves Mountain Rock Swap and Dig. What a great place to have a good time, make new friends, and come out and see world-class rocks.
And here we have Bob, and he has found a couple of the largest lazulite boulders that I have ever seen. Look at this. And those lazulite crystals are huge. Check them out, the blue lazulite, and that's a huge piece. Check out the huge, huge iridescent hematite. That thing's a foot long. Golly, what An amazing time you had, huh?
I did. I had a great time. Thank you.
Okay, y'all. Ooh.
That naturally sat on another oyster shell. So it's oyster shells on an oyster shell matrix.
Ultrasound mate.
What a great time this was. Y'all check them out on Facebook. You can come out and do this yourself. What? And remember to go ahead and subscribe, because in a future video, you're going to see one of the biggest geodes I've ever found.
Absolutely. Oh my gosh, there it is. That's the one. Look at that. That's the one we've been looking for right there.
And remember, now we have members-only videos. Check out that join button right there on the main home page.